Nature Walks in the Blue Mountains Travel Insurance Loan. Nature Walks in the Blue Mountains in Australia is a breathtaking destination for its stunning natural beauty and captivating landscapes. Importance of Nature Walks Seedling. Nature walks offer a myriad of benefits to both the mind and body. Brain biceps, they provide an avenue to reconnect with nature, reduce stress, and rejuvenate the spirit. Accommodation options. Person in bed. Sunrise. The Blue Mountains caters to diverse preferences when it comes to accommodations. Whether you seek luxury or a cozy retreat, plenty of options suit your needs. Popular nature walks. Herb hiking boot. 1. The Three Sisters Trail. The Three Sisters Trail is a mesmerizing trek that takes you through the heart of the Blue Mountains. This moderately challenging trail offers a mix of rugged terrain and well-maintained paths. 2. Wentworth Falls Track. Wave National Park. The Wentworth Falls Track is a captivating trail that leads you to the majestic Wentworth Falls. This well-marked track offers a mix of gentle strolls and more challenging sections, providing an immersive experience for all skill levels. 3. National Pass. Sunrise Man Walking. The National Pass is a historic trail that winds its way through the mesmerizing landscapes of the Blue Mountains. This trail is known for its well-preserved pathways, stairs, and hand-carved tunnels, providing an immersive experience of the region's past. 4. Govetts Leap and Pulpit Rock. Person climbing. Female. Sign. Sunrise Rock. The Govetts Leap and Pulpit Rock Trail is a hidden gem in the Blue Mountains. This moderate to difficult hike takes you through lush forests and rocky terrains, offering a sense of adventure and seclusion. 5. Canangra Walls National Park Hiking Boot. The Canangra Walls Trail is a remote and challenging adventure that takes you deep into the wilderness of the Blue Mountains. This rugged and less traveled path offers a true sense of exploration for seasoned hikers. 6. Scenic World and the Rainforest Walkway. Mountain Cableway. Shedding Tree Cloud with Rain. The Scenic World and the Rainforest Walkway offer a family-friendly adventure through the captivating Blue Mountains. This easy and accessible trail takes you through the lush rainforest, providing a delightful experience for all ages. 7. The Red Hands Cave Track. Paint Palette Rock. The Red Hands Cave Track is a fascinating journey into the Aboriginal heritage of the Blue Mountains. This moderate trail leads to an ancient sandstone cave adorned with Aboriginal rock art, providing a rich cultural experience for the whole family. 8. Euroka Circuit. Pedestrian. Female. Sign. Herb Kangaroo. The Euroka Circuit is also a paradise for birdwatching enthusiasts. Keep your binoculars handy to spot various native bird species, including colorful parrots, cockatoos, and curious kookaburras. 9. Blue Gum Swamp. Herb Frog. The Blue Gum Swamp is a tranquil wetland teeming with fascinating flora and fauna. This easy walk takes you through the serene surroundings of the swamp, offering a peaceful escape into nature's embrace. FAQs about nature walks in the Blue Mountains. Q1. What is the best time to visit the Blue Mountains? Blossom Parrot nature walks also serve as educational experiences, allowing you to learn about the diverse ecosystem and its fragile balance. Whether you seek luxury or a cozy retreat, plenty of options suit your needs. As you traverse the trail, you'll be treated to breathtaking vistas of sheer cliffs, deep valleys, and lush vegetation, creating a true feast for the eyes. From towering sandstone cliffs to intriguing rock formations, you'll witness nature's artistry and marvel at the forces that shaped the landscape. The Canangra Walls Trail is a remote and challenging adventure that takes you deep into the wilderness of the Blue Mountains.